Hi, in this video, we will talk about credit score ranges. What do they mean, how it is interpreted, and why it matters? Your credit score affects almost everything: your ability to rent a home, buy a car, even land a job. But what does your score really mean? And how do you fix it if something's wrong? Disclaimer: the information in our videos are for general educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, and viewers are encouraged to do their own research before taking any course of action. Always consult with a qualified attorney before making any legal decisions. A credit score is a three-digit number that tells lenders how risky you are as a borrower. Two scoring models dominate the industry: FICO and VantageScore. Both range from 300 to 850. Here's how most lenders interpret your score: 300 to 579. Poor, high risk, likely denied or charged high interest, 580 to 669. Fair, some approval possible, but costly rates, 670 to 739. Good, considered a safe borrower, 740 to 799. Very good, low risk. Better terms, 800 to 850. Exceptional, top-tier offers and rates. A strong credit score helps you qualify for loans, get lower interest rates, avoid deposits, even pass background checks. But sometimes your score drops through no fault of your own. Errors like fraudulent accounts, outdated debt, or identity theft can damage your score and your reputation. Here's what to do. First, get your reports from all three bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Next is to review for errors, unknown accounts, misspelled names, wrong payment info. If you found errors, dispute the errors in writing and keep all records. And if your dispute is ignored, you may need legal help. At Sue Your Credit Report, we help clients fix these errors, hold credit bureaus accountable, and take legal action under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. Our attorneys serve clients in Florida, Vermont, and Washington, D.C., offering free consultations and personalized help. Whether you're a victim of identity theft or stuck with false reporting, we've got your back.
Can I improve my credit score quickly?
Yes, pay down debt, correct errors, and make timely payments.
What happens if I ignore an error?
It can stay on your report for years and cost you thousands.
How can a lawyer help?
We can force credit bureaus to fix errors and sue them if they don't. Do you think your score is being dragged down by false info? Visit sueyourcreditreport.com today for a free case review. Your credit is your future. Let's protect it together.